Guys, so this is Venkatesh. Welcome to Venky's Emerging Edge YouTube channel. So today we are mainly discuss about A star and AO star algorithm. As per the comments. First of all, A star and AO star, the both are informed searching algorithms. I think all of you know that what is informed searching algorithm is also called a heuristic. Heuristic searching algorithms. Again, what is heuristic? It's heuristic nothing but a add some value. It is also called a thumb rule. Is it clear? So it is informed searching algorithm. First of all, we discuss about what is A star algorithm. Okay. So generally the informed searching algorithms are different types. One is best first search, another one is A star algorithm, another one is AO star algorithm. But here we discuss about A star algorithm. So A star algorithm is mainly used for find the shortest path through the search space. Clear? So how can you find the shortest path? So here we'll find out cost f of n equal to g of n plus h of n. What is f of n? F of n means estimated cost of the cheapest solution. Next one, g of n means cost to reach node from starting state. Next, h of n means the name itself, it is also called a heuristic function. H of n means so cost to reach node from reach node from node to goal node. Is it clear? Sir, we have some confusion. What is it? G of n, H of n both are same, similar? No. Just I show the example. For example, this is a diagram representation. It is a diagrammatic representation. Here it is a goal node. G is a goal node. A, B, C, D is a different intermediate nodes. So here, for example, A to B 2, A to C 3, C to D 2, C to G 4. Is it clear? So these are G of n. G of n A to B. A to B G of n is equal to 2. A to C G of n is equal to 3. Is it clear? Next one. C to D. C to D cost is equal to 2. C to G cost is 4. These are G of n. It's a cost in between node to node. Node to node cost is G of n. That is cost to reach the node from start state. Starting state to the state. Again like that. Starting state to the state. Again this is from here. Starting state to D. So cost is 2. But what about heuristic value? The heuristic value means here we need to find out the what is the heuristic value of A, B, C, D and G. The heuristic value is also called a add some value or thumb rule value. It is a user defined value also. is a user defined value. Is it clear? So here, for example, here heuristic value g is equal to 0, d is equal to 3, c is equal to 2, a is equal to 7, d is equal to 10. So here again you have some doubt. Sir, how can you decide these values? Just say that heuristic value means the cost to reach the node from node to goal node. For example, G2, this is a goal node. G2G cost is always 0. That's a 0. So D2G, as per my opinion, D2G is a less distance compared with B and A. So that's why given some value 3. But C2D, it is a very less distance compared with the A to A and B. That's why distance is 2. But A is a very less distance compared with B. Why? Because of from B to A to C, C to G. This is very far away. That's why we given the A is equal to 7. But B is at 10. So that means the heuristic value is a direct path from node to goal node. So here direct path, this may be 4. So there is no direct path. In case of direct path is given a node 3. So in case of direct path cost we can estimated cost. This is also very important. It is not a completely estimated. The estimated costs also different, maybe based on user and based on problems. Is it clear? Okay. In mathematics you can say that let x is equal to someone taken let x is equal to y. So that is like a heuristic value. Why we are using let x is equal to 3, 4 by using that to solve the problem. By using a thumb rule. In case of we are taking the let x is equal to 2, then only that problem will be solving. So that those are called a estimated value or heuristic value. Okay. Now A star algorithm. So how can you implementation of A star algorithm? In A star algorithm implementation, for example, take one graph. For example, this is a graph. This is a graph or tree or it may be. Okay. So here A, B, C, D, G. So 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 3. So these are G of n. In H of n of values A, B, B, C, D and G. For example, here heuristic value of G 0, D is given 3, C is given 2, B is given 6, A is far away, that's given 7. Is it clear? Here source node A, goal node G. So we need to apply A star algorithm. What is A star algorithm? F of n is equal to G of n plus H of n. This is very important. First we need to add the cost. Finally we add the heuristic value. Clear? But H of n plus G of n is always wrong. It is the correct formula. G of n plus H of n. Is clear? First of all, start from A node. From A node, what are the adjacent nodes? B and D. Yes, B and D. Okay. So A to B, you need to calculation of A to B. So A to B, A to B, A to B, A to B. Because what is A to B? G of n. The f of n equal to g of n. G of n A to B. What is the cost? 2 plus h of n of B. H of n of B. What is the B value? 6. What is the value? 8. Is it clear? Like that D. F of n is equal to A to D. What is the cost? G of n is equal to 3 plus h of n of D. What is the cost? 3. What is the value? 6. So compared with 8 and 6, 6 is a less. So A to D. We collect the first of all A to D is selected. So A to D. Then what is the adjacent nodes of A to D? C and G. Is it clear? C and G. Then we cost the what is the cost of ADC by using of A star algorithm. So F again. So A to D, D to C. So we need to find out if f of n is equal to g of n plus h of n. yeah, g of n. A to d. What is the cost of A to d? 3. We are not consider this cost. Only again plus A to d cost is g of n is equal to 3. 3 plus again d to c. What is the cost? 3 plus. Then you need to find out the h of n. What is h of n of c? H of n of c is equal to 2. So 2. What is the value? 6 plus 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. Is it clear? G of n means we need to calculation of g of n of a to d, d to c. Finally, we need to calculation of h of n of last node. That is a star algorithm. But best for such, we directly we consider only heuristic value. We are not considering any g of n. That is the main difference. Next one, like that a to d to g. Here also a to d to g. Next, so here f of n is equal to g of n plus h of n. So a to d, a to d, a to d cost is 3 plus d to g cost is 4 plus what is heuristic value of goal node? The heuristic value of goal node is always 0. Is it clear? So we can add it 0. Then 3 plus 4 7. So plus 0. So 7. So finally a to d to g equal to 7. Is it clear? Like that. Again we need to calculation of again a to b. A to D, A to B also we need to, A to B, B to C, C to D, C to G. Finally, we calculate the how many number of paths are available. We calculate all the paths. Finally, which one is less cost? Then we decide that is a star algorithm best path. Is it clear? This is complete about a star algorithm. But here we need to find out G of n after that H of n. Then now we are discuss about AO star algorithm. Is it clear? AO star algorithm. The name itself, AO means and or algorithm. And or algorithm. Okay. So for example, is given a best example is here. It is a AO star algorithm. So here, how to pass the exam? We have multiple. So we have multiple paths are there. One is cheating, another one is hard working, next one is pass the exam. So here to pass an exam, we have two options are there. One is cheating and another one is hard work. We will select any one. So which one is best in that time? Is it clear? For example, here so someone is selected hard work and pass the exam. So then two paths are combined. That is by using of arc symbol. By using of arc symbol. So this is a one path or this is another path. End and path. This is a R path. Is it clear? When we are in the arc symbol, that is the end path. End means combining. Remaining is the R path. In case of someone is selected cheating and pass the exam. So both are combined arc. This is R. This is a end path. Hard work is a R path. Is it clear? Okay. So this way we have multiple number of paths. We are combining. Sometimes combining more than one path. Finally get a solution. Here also AO star algorithm means here also we are using of f of n is equal to g of n plus h of n. Here also same. You need to find the cost. Okay. So for example, check the for example, this small example. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Is it clear? Okay. Here already these are two are combined. Two are combined. Okay. Next. So here already values are given. Is 1 are normal cost. 6, 3, 12, 10, 1, again 1, 4, 4, 2, 1, 7, 5, 2, 1 and 1. So here in this we can moving towards the lower cost. lower cost, we calculate the cost function. How to calculate the cost function? Here again we are applying the of f of n equal to g of n plus h of n. Here what is h? H means estimated cost or heuristic cost. G means actual cost. Okay. So here what in the first, as per procedure we go for here A to D. A to D. One path. Next one A B C. This is another path. Why it is called A to D is R path. A B C it is a arc. It is a end path. Is it clear? So here second one F A, okay, here G G I D. Why? Because you are combining. So combinedly G and I are combined. Clear? But here these are completely individual paths. So here calculate the value GID, calculate the value 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1. 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So by you select this path, the cost is 11. Coming to here. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 7. 7 plus 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 19, 20. Here cost is 20. Which one is best? This one is best. Sometimes here individual cost also best. Individual path is also best. So that's why in AOST algorithm, we have multiple number of paths are available. Then is any possible which one is less cost? We need as per the requirement. We are combining. We are combining path. Then how is combined? So sometimes maybe individual path or end path. That is called arc path. So which one is given less cost? That is the best path. Is it clear? That is a AO star algorithm. Then AO star algorithm main advantage is it is a complete. It is a complete. In AO star or A star also it's a complete. Next. Next one is a less memory required. It is also very fast. Next. Sometimes it's maybe a may not be even correct path, but A star algorithm means optimal algorithm in only informed. Why? Because of informed searching algorithm is a guarantee of a solution but not optimal solution. But compared with informed searching algorithm, best first search, A star and AO star. A star is a optimal searching algorithm. Is it clear? Okay. Next, one more comment. I got it. One more comment. In that comment, you asked me what are the challenges? What are the challenges faced in AI game developing? That means, but here we are not mentioning any game. But what are challenges means? We have so many challenges. First of all, we consider the first one. Maybe handling stochastic environment. For example, dice game. Dice game we don't know. So sometimes we can't predict what is the value. It may be 6 or 4 or 5 or 3 or 2, what it may be. So this is a stochastic environment. So handling of stochastic, this is also one of the challenge. Next one is some games learning from environment or experience. Learning from experience. Like that, those are called learning agents games. So sometimes may be failed. Sometimes based on feedback, we will learning new thing. Next one, improper information. We already developed some game, but we don't know that data is sufficient. But sometimes the data is not sufficient for a complete game. Next, one more is a combination experiments. In chess game, we have facing the so many number of combinations, but we are only combine we are only preferred some combinations only. So that's why that is also combination experiments. So these are main challenges are faced in a developing of AI games. Okay, thank you for your watching.